Let's make the mouse pointer larger and friendlier on Windows 11. Start by clicking on your Start button and typing in the word Control. You'll see Control Panel. That's an option. Click on that. And then make sure that in the top right-hand corner, you choose small or large icons as the view option. You'll see among the options, mouse. Click on mouse. And there's a few things that we want to adjust. One is to bring the double click speed here all the way down to slow. Just makes it a lot easier to click. You can test the click speed by clicking on the icon here to open and close the little folder. Now let's go to pointers. And this is where we're going to make the cursor larger. So we're going to click on the selector here for the drop down. And let's go down to Windows Standard Extra Large. We'll choose that. And you'll see the preview changes to a much larger cursor. We can compare the old to the new right now. If we click Apply, now we have the larger cursor. Another thing that I like to do is go into pointer options. If you find that your cursor moves too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed here by dragging the slider. Generally, the speed for me is fine, but what I do like to do is down at the bottom here where it says Show Location of Pointer, when I press the Control key, I select that. We can apply. And then if you click the Control key on your keyboard, you get this nice little indicator of where your cursor is. So if you ever lose it on your screen, just press Control and it'll show up. Hopefully, this helps you view and use your cursor more effectively.